Hi everyone, and welcome to the DY family. Today is day number 8 of our Tennessee vacation. We have been here for 1 week now. Last week at this time, we were on our way here. Now we've been here a week. It has gone fast in a way and slow in another. And it's supposed to, there is a chance of rain today, but I don't think it's going to. And we are going to a place called Parrot Mountain. I'm gonna film that separately. They have a bunch of birds there, and we have been there once before, but that was like 10 years ago, I think.
That was a long time.
Addie and Tyler probably don't even remember it.
No.
Do you, Addie?
No.
Because I think you were only 2 when we went there last.
Wow.
So we're gonna go ahead and check that out. And I don't know what else we're gonna do today. If I don't have much footage for today, I'm going to combine some days together of our vacation. Because like I said, I'm going to film Parrot Mountain separately. I may include some clips in this video as well. But the main video on Parrot Mountain will be a separate one. So come along with us on day number 8.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. What are you doing? Say hello. 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 There's the macaws. Are you guys trying to get out? Hi. Or that's how you hang there to rest. Hi. Can you say hello? Whoa. Look at all them go. Look at these ones. They're resting on their perch, huh?
Yeah.
Why they? Yeah, make us say.
They're watching you. Hi. No one's just sitting there resting. It's like, why are you guys staring at me?
Hi.
We're going in the bird walk. Oh, it's a toucan.
They're so cute. Hi.
Where are you going?
Toucan.
Whoa.
He's angry.
Oh, he's trying to get out.
Watch out.
Let's go see the other ones. There's one back there. They're separate.
Are you eating?
He's all the way up there. He's yawning.
He's tired.
What?
He's tired.
Yeah. It's a kookaburra. Is that what it? Kookaburra?
Yeah. I think so.
No kookaburra. They're sleeping or they're resting. There's one over there too.
They're just watching.
Oh, it's awake. They're just listening to the other birds sing. Yeah, these ones are double netted.
They're cute. Dancing.
Yeah. Oh, this one wants attention. He wants to play with the toucan. One.
Oh, look at
The little lovebird.
the bird. Look at my picture.
There's two up there. There's one sitting right there. The little lovebirds. There's one all the way up there. Look at this toucan.
One's still dancing.
African pied crow. Yeah, these
That one's a regular
are
one,
almost
I think.
like the ones that come visit our cabin.
They look like it.
He's gonna grab a piece of grass. He says, "Hi, Annie." Hi.
Hello there.
Oh, that one's different, right? It's got white on it.
That one's trying to make a nest or something. It's got sticks in it.
Wait today, that's live and real.
And what do we got over here?
I don't know.
Oh, it's cute. Oh, those are the ones making the noises.
That's the crow. Yeah, watch
We got some macaws in this little church. They talk to each other. Oh, he's gonna get Tyler, he says.
Hey. Hi. Hey. You're so fluffy.
Somebody always can get peacock spider.
That one's sleeping.
Yep, they're resting.
Are these the ones again? So we got a mohawk.
They're hard to see. Some magpie jay.
That's a pretty bird.
Mm-hmm.
That's the African pied crows again.
Yep. Whoa.
He's doing parkour. Going back and forth. Look at him go. I'll go back to
These are colorful.
They're cute.
A green one and a red one, and it looks like it's purple. These guys are nice and bright. I like the red and purple one back there, or blue.
That one's cute.
They're nice and bright birds.
They're parrots.
Let's see, can we get a little closer to this one? Right here. Hi! Are you a pretty bird? They got one leg up. Oh, yeah, that one.
That one back there only has one. This one only has one. Wait. Hi.
No, they have 2 legs.
I think they got one.
Hi. No, that one's got like one.
No,
They got. Hi there.
Yeah, that one's only got
I
one.
think they're parrots.
Unless they have one leg up when they rest.
They do.
That one's sleeping. She's got diaper. They're cute. Hey.
Here's a peacock. It's got its feathers out. Doing a dance. Look at how big it is. So pretty. Oh, here's a bird here. He just decided to lay down.
Where's the one bird?
Nice. Oh, they got little babies.
There's another one in there with feathers up.
They got little babies in there.
There's a door the other way. Oh, okay. You guys come out down here, I think. Yeah, they're just flying around.
They're so cute.
Oh my God.
And there's a big peacock back there just watching. We're going in here. All the birds are in here flying around.
I think they're doves.
I don't know, you gotta watch. Whoa! Look at that one. Pretty colors. Is this the one singing? Or no? Or it's the one up there?
I don't know.
It's that one.
Are you singing? Yeah, it sounds like that one. Hi!
That big one.
You're making noise, huh? It's probably some kind of pigeon. Look at them all. They're all singing. Whoa, watch out, he's gonna get ya. There's some way up there in the corner.
Does anyone here watch Pokemon or collect Pokemon cards?
We know of it.
Do y'all know what Pokemon is?
Mhm.
Yes. Alright, do y'all know the famous Pikachu?
Yes.
It's Pikachu.
Addie's got them.
Here's Pikachu.
Oh, it's cute. You want to hold Pikachu, Addie?
Pikachu is one of the sweetest birds in here and one of the softest.
Put your hand. Hold him.
Come up from behind. There you go. You can pet his back too if he'll let you.
Oh,
He's gonna climb on me.
he likes you, or he wouldn't be up there. Hi, Pikachu. So cute.
No, it's cinnamon. It smells like Bruce.
Anyway.
Hi. It's Jasper. Hi, Jasper. Hi.
Touching yourself.
Yeah, he's itching his eye.
Those are cute.
It's a pretty pink. Its name is Baby. Their names are on them too. See?
Baby. Cute.
Itching it very carefully.
What?
Hi. Oh, that one's looking. Who is this? Dory. This one's name is Dory. There's Skippy. You can't touch or feed him. Hi, you're looking at me and watching? Yeah. Are you resting, silly? It's Kayla.
Yeah.
Hi, Kayla.
Crazy.
That one's cool.
We're watching a vlog.
He's trying to grab it.
This one's cute.
The little yellow one. All right, now we're going this way. You got one on your hat, Ty. You can go in this area to feed them. Oh, look at Ashlyn. You got to put your cup out, Ty.
Mine's all gone.
Oh, it's gone already. You can come in here and...
Ow, it hurts.
Yeah, they're kind of sharp.
Look at them. They're all over you.
Ah! Don't bite me.
They won't.
Ow.
Oh, you dropped it.
Look at my finger.
Will you pick that cup up that she dropped?
It's empty. He's licking my fingers.
Ashlyn's got one on her
Mine's
shoulder
empty.
again.
Don't bite me.
Ooh.
Oh.
This is extra to pay for, but you can pay, I think it was $3 to come in here and feed the birds.
Ow.
They give you a little cup.
I don't have anything.
It's all gone now.
I don't have anything.
What?
Go here. Over there.
The cup is slipping out.
I know it's all gone. I'm sorry.
You don't want to eat?
My hands are all wet. I stumbled a little bit. They look for you. Who's gonna lick my fingers?
Because you got it all over.
Ow, you stretch. And that way.
Look at the little bird. Oh, I can't see it because of the sun.
This is like a nursery. They got all sorts of birds in there.
It's a little... And there's these little ones. These are like babies.
We're by the nursery.
We're in the bird nursery where you can buy a bird.
Normally we're fine. If I got the middle name, that's now.
That's like the one you had on you. Yeah. All the birds in here you can buy. The bird nursery. Hi guys. Nice to see you. You're not in there. Are you talking in there? Ones are talking. Oh, it's loud in here. These ones are pretty. Look at them. They're all different colors. Gotta say bye to the macaws.
Bye.